I'm going to walk you through a San Miguel floor plan here in Sun City, Shadow Hills. This is the first phase section. There's 3 phases in Sun City, Shadow Hills. I just want to say thank you to Sue for allowing me to make this walkthrough video. This is a corner location, so you don't have a neighbor on that side to the south, which is nice. And this floor plan is pretty large, 2,500. That's close to as big as it gets here in Shadow Hills. And you get a nice little golf cart garage. A lot of people use the golf carts here, obviously, to get to one of the 2 clubhouses or one of the 2 golf courses. This is going to be the 2nd bedroom. People often ask, is this a casita? Not really, it's just there's a hallway here for the main house, and then this door leads you out to the courtyard, which is right here. Let's walk you through the layout. So it's going to have a dual living room situation. So living room, this is where often a formal dining table is going to be, and there's another little TV room over there, and then a breakfast nook here, a den right here. So it's 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a den, around 2,500 square feet. This one's priced at $599 as of today at my open house. Just a little closet here. The HOAs in Sun City, Shadow Hills is right around $400 per month. And there's a long list of amenities included. Like I said, there's 2 big clubhouses with the pickleball, the bocce ball. Internet is included here. 3,500 homes. I often say it's a city within a city. If you're looking to make friends, this place is designed that way. It's really easy to make friends. You sign up for one of the clubs or the events going on. Just about every day there's something to do here. We're located in the North Indio section, right by the 10 freeway. So easy access if you want to go to Palm Springs. Joshua Tree is just about 30 minutes away from here. You can get to the Cottonwood entrance. Here's our 3rd bath. This is where your living room, kitchen traffic's gonna use the washroom. And then just really quickly, it's a garage. So I do want to just brag one more time that this San Miguel floor plan has the golf cart storage, which is huge. I'm sitting in my car today during the open house since there's no furniture here. Just kind of running the office from my car, and you just see all kinds of golf carts driving by. Without that storage, you have to park behind your cars, which can be a pain, especially when you're doing it every day. It's like, say you want to pull up the car and the golf cart's parked behind your car. You got to move the golf cart and then drive out your car. So it's just kind of a pain. Having that golf cart storage is huge. This is a west-facing backyard and a great example of how you can buy yourself shade. You don't have to just sit and get cooked by the end of the day sun. And this is a Luma wood, so it's very low maintenance. You maybe paint it once every 10 years. It's not that heavy wood that you used to see. Very common installing shade here in the desert. Today is March 22nd and it's 97 degrees. It's been a much warmer March this year. But it looks like a week from now, it's going to drop down to mid-80s, which I'm looking forward to. Low maintenance backyard, and like I said, to the south, no neighbor. This kind of opens up the light and feeling of a house, not having a house right on top of you. Even this one's got a little bit of separation, so it's not a huge deal, but it's a nice little perk. But tons of patio space out here. And really nice shade opportunity. That's the primary there. And I'll walk you through the 2 bedrooms now. So we got our garage, laundry, powder room there. I'm gonna walk you through this one more time. This is gonna be your 2nd living room opportunity. Where often you'll find a bigger table there, a formal dining room table, our den there, front door, and then there's 2nd bedrooms down the hallway there with that door leading out to the front patio, courtyard, and then this is the primary. Got some nice plantation shutters there. So with the plantation shutters and your Aluma wood, really can keep this place nice and cool as soon as it gets warm at the end of the day in the summertime, or in this case, March. Really large closet space. Like I said, this is one of the largest layouts you're gonna find in Shadow Hills. So everything's just a little bit bigger here. The ceilings are high. The bedrooms have plenty of space. The closets have more than enough space for his and hers. Get one more space to look at and we'll be all done. Just gonna walk you down the hallway, down to our second bedroom. Some extra storage opportunity. That's going to conclude this quick walkthrough of a Sun City Shadow Hills home with Mark Miller. That's me. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you'd like to look at homes in this community or others. Talk to you soon.